Hey guys, welcome back. I just want to do a quick video on learning FreeCAD. I know I get a lot of questions. I have some videos of some examples I've done. Just what resources are out there. Just some like quick tutorials if you want to learn some of the FreeCAD basics for making parts or 3D printed parts, right? Mainly for 3D printing. You can go to the tutorials portion of FreeCAD website, freecad.org, and you'll see there are tutorials to make these types of parts. I've gone through these, and if you're brand new, these are sometimes a little bit frustrating. I think one of the tricks with FreeCAD is you have to have everything constrained perfectly. And I've heard, and I'm not quite so sure on other versions of different software, that they do a little bit of that for you. But FreeCAD, you kind of have to do it. I guess maybe they call it the old-fashioned way, and constrain every angle and every measurement, and all that good stuff, right? So you can go through these and just make sure you have everything constrained right. There's a little window. I talk about it in some of my other videos. Go look at some of my other videos, you'll see that. But I wanted to show you a different resource besides this one, and that is on GrabCAD. There is a tutorial section. I'll link this down in the description. And I've done a few of these, and these are pretty cool. These different exercises for just basic FreeCAD. Now, be very aware that when you get further into these exercises, they get to a point where they just say, go do this function, like go chamfer an edge or whatever you want to call it. They don't really tell you how to do it. So when you get deeper in, if you don't remember some of the other previous examples you've done and they don't explain it well enough, you may just have to use your Google and say, you know, how do I chamfer or how do I mirror in FreeCAD or whatever. But these tutorials are really pretty good. They can teach you a lot about FreeCAD and using it. If you stick with it, I think you'll learn it pretty well with these tutorials here. It is complex, it is complicated. Don't get too frustrated. Take a break, come back, all that good stuff. That's what I do when I learn this stuff. But anyway, guys, just want to get a quick one out here. Check out this site or these tutorials on GrabCAD. Just another set of resources that you can use to try to learn CAD. Now, I want to ask you guys a question real quick. I'm using Linux exclusively now. I want to use a CAD program in Linux. I'm not sure FreeCAD is the right one for me yet. I'm not sure about that. So I want to use something that I can collaborate with people on in making designs. I'm probably going to, you know, I use OpenSCAD, however you guys want to say that. That's probably not the best for collaboration. I'm looking maybe at Onshape or some kind of web-based CAD. Fusion 360 is just not going to work on Linux because I don't want to do emulation like with Wine or anything like that. So what are your guys' thoughts on that? Anyway, leave a comment below. Maybe FreeCAD's it. I don't know. But this is a good way to learn it. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.